Look and pick 'em when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive 'em when I kiss 'em. If you want time,
Hey Dreamers, this is Jade and I'm back with another Journal with Me episode number 62. And here I'm just cutting down a piece of paper to turn into a tag. I am putting this image on it, which is basically the image that I used to make some of my spiral notebooks. And this was the day I actually finished that tutorial. And it just reminds me that there are things that I like to do or I want to do or people ask me to do, and I build it up in my head so much that it seems like a daunting task. But when I actually start doing it, it's not. And it's like very easy, and I actually end up having a lot of fun doing it. So that was kind of one of those things for me. So I need to just keep remembering that I need to stop building stuff up in my head like it's just going to be this crazy, incredible, tough thing to get through. When in all actuality, once you do it, you look back on it and it's like, oh well, that was pretty easy, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing here. I had already put down a few things to prep the page, like on the other side a quote, which is basically the title of this album I discovered by Rotimi, who plays Dre on Power. I had never listened to his music before, but I was listening to the end credits on one of the episodes and Shazammed it and found out it was him. I was like, okay, and then I posted about it on Facebook, and my friends was like, oh, his music is so nice. So I finally pulled him up on Spotify. So I just kind of made this thing that looked like a little thing where you play, and the title of his album to prep. And I mean, the rest is basically what I do, you know, decorating the page and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm not going to continue talking. I'm just going to put the music on. And yeah, that's it. If you guys have any comments or questions about anything, leave those below as usual. Anything that I use that I can link will be linked below in the description box. And thank you all for coming to my channel, supporting, liking, sharing, subscribing to my channel. If you're new here, consider doing the same, and definitely hit that bell icon to get the notifications of when I post. Usually Mondays and Fridays. Every now and again there will be a bonus video throughout the week. So that is it. I will catch you all in the next video. Hope you're all well. Talk to you later. Bye.
if you want time, just let me know. If you need some honey, just tell me so. And hot mama, just a female and a mama. You should see the fellas meet you for a little of my smooching. If you want some just let me know. Look and pick 'em when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive 'em when I kiss 'em.